Hello everyone, my name is Satvik and welcome back to another Python programming video. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the tuples. So what do you mean by tuple? A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Now there are two words which come in its definition, that is the ordered and unchangeable. So what do you mean by this? When we say the tuple are ordered, it means that the items have a definite order and that order will not be changed. And by unchangeable means we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. So as we know that the tuples are very similar to the list, however they have a very key difference, that is the immutability. Once an element is inside a tuple, it cannot be reassigned. So what do you mean by this? I will show you. Let us suppose we have a list A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to change 1 with 5, that is the element which is present at the index number 0, we want to change it with 5. How we are going to do is, in case of list A at index position 0, we want 5, and now A is 5, 2, 3 and 4. But it is not in the case of a tuple. Tuple is in the parenthesis 1, 2, 3 and 4. We want element to change at index number 0 by 5, but it gives us error. And what is the type error? Tuple object does not support item assignment, so it is the error which is going to give us in the case of a tuple. So now we are going to discuss some methods that tuple supports. So the first method that we are going to discuss is the count method. Count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. Let me show you by an example. We have a tuple, let's say t is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1 and 3, 3, 3. If we want to count how many number of times 1 appears in our tuple, how we are going to do is t dot count So 1 appears 4 times in our list. So this is the first method, that is the count method. It just returns us the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. The next method that we are going to discuss is the index method. Index method searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position where it was found. If we want, let us take another example. A is 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we want to find the location of 3, how we are going to do is a dot index. We want to know the location of 3. So the location of 3 is 2. That is at index number 0, 1 is present, index number 1, 2 is present, and the index number of 3 is 2. So we are getting 2 as the output. Also, if we want to find the length of the tuple, how we are going to do is length of A. So the length of A is 4. It has 4 elements in our tuple. So this was all for the tuple. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.